Happy 1K subscriber! Happy 100K subscriber! Happy 200K subscribers! Happy 1 million, guys! Thank you so much! Hi guys! What's up? I'm Reina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video, as you can see on the title box below, I will celebrate my 1K subscribers. Yes, I know guys, it's such a small number pa para sa iba, but for me, I'm very glad and thankful na nakaabot tayo dito. So today I will bake cookies, and nakita ko lang tong recipe over internet. I'll be sharing first to you guys my ingredients. First, ito yung minelt na butter. Kanina ko pa siya minelt, guys. So, I'm sorry. Hindi ko na napakita. Because nag-charge din ako ng phone ko. Para at least later on. Ngayon, maka-dire-diretso na tayo ng fill. Baking soda. Nakalagay na siya dito. Salt. Here. Brown sugar, white sugar. Vanilla flavor. Yan guys, kailangan natin to. As meron din tayo dito mga measuring cups. I almost forgot. 2 eggs guys. And yeah, and of course, how can we forget flour? Andito siya guys. That's all the ingredient, and now we'll be starting to make the cookies. Andito na, minalist ko na dito yung mga instructions para hindi na ako mag-review sa phone ko kasi yan din yung ginagamit ko for camera. So yeah, let's start. Una, na-melt ko na yung butter guys. I melted it already. And i-insert ko na lang yung video na nagme-melt ako habang ginagawa to. But the consistency is already good guys. Like that. Yan. So now, we'll be combining 1 cup of brown sugar, then 1/4 granulated sugar. So, I'll show you guys here. Yeah, nice one. Dito ko ilalagay yung mga measuring cups para at least hindi matapon dito sa pinakapatungan natin at hindi maglanggam. So, we need 1 cup of brown sugar. Eto guys, 1/4 of sugar to. Hindi ko lang sure kung ilang cups to or abot ba siya ng 1 cup. Oh my god. Okay, I think that's enough. Wait. Sorry, isa lang kasi yung camera natin. So, pag ganyan kayo. But, eto guys, yung sugar natin. Kailangan natin siyang i-level ng ganyan. I mean, i-compact natin para sure na sure yung ingredients. This is a hand mixer, electric hand mixer. And this is used to mix all the ingredients, all the wet and dry ingredients later on. But now, I'll be mixing first all the wet ingredients. So, and now guys, that I'm done mixing it, I'll be adding eggs. So, isang buo, then the other one is yolk lang yung kailangan natin. And now guys, for the hardest part. Ito yung pinaka-hardest part kasi hindi ko gamay na maghiwalay ng yolk then yung white. So, let's see how will it work. Oh my god.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
As you can see guys, sorry ma'am. sorry, oh my god. Pero tingnan na lang natin mamaya sa lasa kung it's okay or not. So yeah, let's mix it again. Hi guys! Palapit na palapit yung mukha ko pala. But yeah, tapos na tayo sa wet ingredients natin. Nahalo ko na siya and all. So now we'll proceed sa dry ingredients, which is yung flour, salt, baking soda, 2 1/4 so ito na yung 2 1/4 cup of flour natin guys. And now, I'll be adding 3 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Guys, kompleto na yung dry ingredients natin. Nahalo ko na siya. And pati yung wet ingredients natin. So now, we'll be combining them all. Unti-unti ko lang ihahalo yung dry ingredients natin para ma-mix talaga natin ng maayos. Okay, we're almost done. Tapos na yung mixture natin. We'll proceed now sa chocolates na meron tayo. Meron pa akong chocolates ng Hershey's. And then, meron pang matitira sa aming, I don't know how to pronounce this. Pero ito guys, sobrang sarap na ito. Kaso lang may mani siya, pero matatanggal natin siya. Plus, meron kami ditong chocolate chip. Dadagdag natin ito. So, ito, hindi ko nikakat kasi maliliit na siya. But yung Hershey's, na ilang piraso din, kakat natin. Tapos na natin to. Ang kailangan na lang natin is magbilog-bilog ng mga cookies natin para ididiretso na natin siya sa oven natin. So, I'll be using a spoon para gumawa nito. Guys, ipapasok na natin siya sa oven namin. Maliit lang yung oven na meron kami. So, kaya unti-unti ko lang siyang ginagawa. So, now, 6 siya. And now, papasok na natin siya sa oven. And, tatagalan na natin to. So, sasaksak ko na rin siya. And, yeah. Siguro guys, mga 5 minutes okay na yun. Pero, tingnan nyo na lang din kung tama lang ba yung heat. Hi guys, I'm done baking all the cookies and andito na silang lahat and this is mine. Yan, may kandila tayo cause ito ay para sa lahat ng 1K subscriber. Thank you so much guys for supporting me and to those who subscribed and like on my videos. This is all for you also. And yeah, today we'll be celebrating this because minsan lang to. I know, medyo mababa pa siya but I'm so happy and kahit paano nga. So, mag-blow tayo ng cookies which I made. Okay lang. Okay, kunyari meron na lang. Happy 1K subscribers! Thank you guys!
Happy 1K subscriber.
Happy 1K subscriber. Happy Renalyn.
Slice mo na.
Happy 1K subscriber!